Are you looking for an RV park in New Mexico?
Near Albuquerque.
Well, Cuervo Mountain RV Resort is just...
And Horse Hotel.
Is just that.
That's what we're fixing to show you.
Hey y'all, I'm Cole.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Younger Every Day.
On this channel, we take you on amazing adventures, do product reviews, and share tips and tricks for RV living, just like this one.
If you haven't seen some of our other videos, you can click right up here to check them out. And don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified every time we post a new video.
So we're on our way back to Texas from California and needed a place to stay near Albuquerque. So we looked on Passport America to find a nice place to stay near Albuquerque, and that's exactly what we found. Yeah,
so Cuervo Mountain RV Resort and Horse Hotel, thanks Dawn, is a very nice place to stay, so, you know, let us show you around. Last night was a great night here in Stanley, New Mexico at Cuervo Mountain RV Park and Horse Stable? I'm not sure, horse something.
So we are here at the Cuervo Mountain RV Resort and Horse Hotel. We do not have a horse, but if you did, I think this would be an awesome place to stay. We found these guys on Passport America. I don't know a whole lot about them as far as when they opened, but from the looks of it, it's a pretty new place.
Anyway, it's nice. It is fairly new, but you can see it's going to be great. There are lots of trees planted, one per spot it looks like, or two, and lots of room, nice facilities, nice level spots. We had no problems leveling here last night, and now we're about ready to roll out. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick shot of what our accommodations looked like last night.
It's a really nice place. The spots are nice and long, easy to pull into. Very level, nice gravel. One thing we've learned to look for is nice picnic tables, just because our kids end up using those and you don't want them like getting splinters and that kind of thing. So they have these really nice metal picnic tables. Anyway, this is a really nice looking place. The Passport America website says that they have places for horseback riding and that kind of stuff. And the scenery here is gorgeous. Gorgeous mountains, beautiful open sky. For an idea of how big these spaces are, I did tell them how big our rig is, and so they put us in a spot that matches our size. But if you'll look, you can see the truck, the 43-foot rig, plus a 2-foot carrier on the back, and then our Suburban and bike rack all pretty much fit in the spot. We're hanging over a little bit on the front and back, but not too much. But anyway, it's a huge spot.
And I really liked the water connections they have here. They're down in this nice PVC pipe, chain on the lid. That way you keep it from freezing. And it's got a nice cutout for the hose. Even worked with my heated water line.
The kids are certainly enjoying this place. No, you like the rocks?
They're so cool.
They're so cool. What do you think about this place?
Amazing.
So if you're looking for a great RV resort near Albuquerque, New Mexico, look no further than Cuervo Mountain RV Park
and Horse Hotel.
And tell them we sent ya.
Don't forget to subscribe. And also, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up and let us know about it.
And check out some of our other videos.
Right over there. So, finding a really cool place to stay outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico on our way home using Passport America that also happens to have room for your horse. It's just another way that we're living younger every day.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.